Warm greeting to all. This session we are going to start a new unit, Unit 2, Process Planning and Activities. So in this topic we are going to discuss a process parameter calculation for various production process. So what are all the parameters, process parameters in production process? It may be a speed or feed, cutting speed. So that and all process parameter we are going to discuss various machining process. And next is the selection of jig and fixture. Jig and fixture we are going to design, and the selection of quality assurance method. So what are all the quality assurance methods are there that we have to find out, and the set of documents for process planning. So what are all the documents required to prepare a process plan, and the economics of process planning, and the case studies. So these are the subtopics we are going to discuss in the unit 2 process planning activities. So here unit 2 process planning activities, the lecture 1 process parameter calculation for various production process. So here process parameters, the basic process parameters for production processes: feed rate, speed, cutting, depth of cut, and machining time. So here I shown a few diagrams related to feed and speed, depth of cut. So in milling will have depth of cut. So see this axial depth of cut. So we are removing the material in the top surface, and this rotation of the tool we call it as tool rotation, and this feed, so the rate of material removal, so that is feed. But in this lathe machine, that is turning process, the turning, so that is feed, and the depth of cut what you are giving, removing the material, and the speed. So this is the basics process parameters. Then process parameter calculation. So the three important parameters to be calculated for each operation during process planning, that is cutting speed, feed rate, and depth of cut. Cutting speed, the rate at which the metal is removed by tool. So how much metal is removed by the tool, that is we call it as cutting speed. The cutting speed is also known as surface cutting speed slash surface speed, can be defined as the relative speed between the tool and the workpiece. Next is either tool or work or both may be moving during cutting. During the cutting process, either tool will move or work will move, or both may be moving during cutting. In lathe machine, so the work is rotates, and a tool is moving. See, both it's moving, right? But in case of drilling machine, only the tool will rotate but work is stationary. But in case of milling machine, the work is stationary and the tool will rotate. So this is the different categories are there, and it is expressed in meters per minute. So mpm, meter per minute. So this is simple diagram shown for cutting speed, vc, which is equal to pi d n by 1000 for turning process, pi d n by 1000. So d is original diameter of the job, and vc is cutting velocity, and n is cutting speed. The calculation of cutting speed, that is vc equal to pi d n by 1000. So vc is cutting speed in meter per minute, and d is diameter of the work in mm for turning and slash boring, and diameter of cutter in mm for milling and drilling. So n, revolution of work in rpm, so turning slash boring, the revolution of cutter in rpm for milling and drilling. So this is for cutting speed. And cutting calculation of cutting speed, cutting speed for shaping and planning and slotting. So vc equal to l ns divided by 1000 c. So vc, which is equal to s, is cutting speed in meter per minute, length of cut l, ns is number of cutting stroke, so how much stroke per minute. C is cutting time ratio, that is time for cutting stroke divided by time for return stroke. Then factor affecting the selection of cutting speed. So what are the factors affects, that is nature of cut. So it may be a different material have a different cutting speed and a cutting feed, right? So nature of cut and work material. So based on the material we have to select, it affects the cutting speed. And cutting tool material, so cutting tool material and cutting fluids and purpose of machining and capacity of machine, condition of machine tool. So these are the factor affect while selecting the cutting speed. Thank you. Remaining things we'll discuss in the next class.